Good morning, welcome back to the channel. So, still on the NC500, and this is the view that we woke up to this morning. Absolutely amazing. And I'll set up so this is the stopover we stopped at tonight. As you can see, Melvich Bay Caravan Park. So tourers, motorhomes and camper vans. This is the entrance, and look at that view. Absolutely stunning. So when you arrive, if you scan that QR code, you can book a pitch. It was £35 for the night. That includes water, electric hookup, chemical emptying point, toilet, showers and rubbish. All you do is open the gate. Dogs are allowed as well. And that's so you just open the gate yourself, let yourself in once you've paid, and you get a confirmation, and then shut the gate. And this is the drive down. 2 big bins for all your rubbish. So as you can see, the pitches along the front have all got lovely little stone walls marking out the pitches. And if you get one of the pitches at the front, which we did, you're looking out over that bay. But there's pitches in the middle here, and there's also here. Like I say, every pitch has got electric, water and grey waste. So this is the chemical emptying waste and grey waste, with a tap to wash your butt container out. Here are the toilets and showers. So this is what the toilets are like. So you get a sink, toilet, and a lovely shower with a shower door. So every pitch has electric, water and grey waste. So how would we rate this campsite, this stopover? For views, absolutely stunning. Definitely a 5-star from me. And I'll see you all in the next one. Ta-ra! If you like our content, drop us a subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we bring out the next video. And if you can drop us a like and a comment, that'd be even better. We're trying to grow this account. We're trying really hard. Subscribing really helps us out. And if you do a comment, it pushes it more with YouTube. And this is Jack, he loves the beach. Like to add a little bit of Jack at the end. Hope you enjoy our content. And as always, we'll see you all in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Ta-ra!